Hello, my people. Una good evening, yo. How una day? Wabova. Siam, latest exclusive news. So exclusive news, exclusive interview with our sister that was deported this morning at 4 o'clock. Today, what is today's date? I should know. Today's date, 6th of June. 2019, this morning 4 o'clock, the German police, the German immigration go to our sister house, knock, Kokoroko, Oya, Congo, Nigeria, with two kids. One 3 years, the other one 1.5 years old. With the collaboration of the husband, our Edo brother. With the collaboration of the husband, with the German police and the German immigration to deport this woman because there is his baby mother. Yes, baby mother. You know what I call her? The baby mother of the children. So because the guy is married with whether it's married or is a fiancé to his German citizen. This story, the thing tire me. I never heard this kind of thing for my life for since I did abroad. Say because this guy he married, whether they married the Oibo, whether they fiancé, he joined them to deport this our sister direct to Nigeria. They carry her 4 o'clock this morning. She arrived Lagos 4 o'clock this evening. You people will hear from her. 6/6/2/19. Oh my God. And I hear say they say that date is very strong. 666. God I beg. When I hear so, the girl don't reach Lagos now to 4 o'clock this evening. Night Lagos. Believe me, when I talk to her just now, they cry. When I hear the children, they cry. They yarn. 3 years old, the 1.5 years old, they are crying. Where are we going to? Where is the way forward to my people? Is it because of the nuisance people have committed that the German police or the German immigration, not only Europe, they are no more hearing us again. They are no more pitying those children again. How can deport 3 years old baby, 1.5 years old baby, straight stand direct to Nigeria? You people will hear from her now. She said, I said, okay, do you not have any, what is her name? Notification. He said yes, they give her negative, hoping that the father of the children will come out. The father of the children will come out and rescue them. To say, okay, he said that the father, you people, I don't know how to, why she was deported. You people will hear now. You people will hear. When I hear so, make I play this music when we start because it's late. She was. She was sleeping 4 o'clock this morning. Make una share this video. I will tell everybody now. From a Friday or Saturday, I will be doing my live video from my page. Go and subscribe. Subscribe to YouTube. I will be loading videos on YouTube. But for now, let us go to my page because everybody is calling me. Mama, I cannot comment. Mama, I cannot contribute. I cannot do so. Let us go to my page. The Lady President of Together and God's Care Foundation. Go to that page. You will see me there. You press like so that you will receive notification when I'm on live. So let us start the profile because for the YouTube now, I told you people my work during the summertime I cannot do undo because everywhere is tight. Make not trust I don't promise as yesterday say I'll come out, I don't come out today. I cannot feel come out. I'm tired, believe me. Make God come out tired for our body. We are still going to do it together. Let me play this music first, then we start. When I
Senegal Brazil can Nama Use Mississippi. I have your legs, my quina. I have seen my gas, my quina. Eye Becca Bacca, Becca.
Sister Jada, you're welcome. Sister Wendy Grace. I don't feel like this evening. This is not a matter of laughing. No, I clap for those children today when I hear them hearing, crying. Oh my God! I will call the name of this boy now. We call his name and the sisters. These boys in Germany with 3 of his sisters are the one that plan to deport this girl. Except where but she said we were once a good friends. Eh? You not set anything, not to set. Don't let anything. You wait to set it. You not to set it, man. Why this guy go suffer finish for our bro? This boy can't deport him. Oh my God. Now let him play, I'll let him what there. Sylvester what there. I have seen a gas yes, so let him one. Thank you, love my song, Sylvester. What their song, no, it's a very good message this evening. Who say no one problem? My problem they need to. If you do forget, they call knock door. Saito, you're welcome, Safeto, you're welcome. I wish I know the meaning of the song. If you pray, you'll call on the meaning, Sister Jada. Eh?
Oh, let the international. Shout out to my sister, Esther O, and Dr. Yi, the lady of song. Silot on the beat. Audio J, Orewo Iboke. Lao, we must say, why you wanna yes. Silot Sipitina Koto.
Thanks for the love, my people. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the love. Please go and like my page so that we will be people will not be calling me Mama Gladys. I'm not able to comment because I have more than 1,000 friends to accept. I don't comment many, but still, oh my God.
To you.
Oh. See, I see the page. The lady president. Please go and like and invite your friends to like the page. No. So that we'll be using that from no, I'm not. The lady president of Together in God's Family Care Foundation. Okay. Go and like the page so that anytime on live, you people will be notified, so that everybody will be free to. Everybody will be free to. You are welcome. Amen. What I will say. So that a page in my issue. The page is there. I go show next time. Una if you not see me anytime when I go there for life, I go share on this side. Una can't see am. Na yes so. No. Me I leave I no see am. Make I pray. Amen, my darling sister. Make we pray. Before I know this video will go a long way because of the exclusive interview with this lady our sister that was deported. Please, if you subscribe, if you're not subscribing, please go and watch the full story. Please go and watch the full.
You want us to address the topic, please just leave your comment in the comment area.
Go and watch the full story about the true story of Obaiware first Ogidigan and 3 wives. You know that yesterday I came out about people that be propaganda. See, carried by the, what is his name? Sasio. Then this useless boy, what is his name? Sasio is already a dead person. So if you people should not say that I call this slave Bright, the one calling himself king, Bright, calling useless white, you know, Sasio is already dead among the living. So there's no need of me insulting him. The curse that I've already laid on him is okay murder for him. So go to this our sister YouTube, Nebo TV. When I say I'm going to subscribe, if you don't want to subscribe, but go and watch this video. He has have more than 4,000 viewers. He just shared just 6 hours ago. He shared just 6 hours ago the true story that 9 hours ago. The true story, how it is a tradition. It's almost like a taboo that a king must marry. I don't know about other king, but Benin king must marry 2 sisters, 3 sisters. That is not. It's not an abomination. Go and listen to this story. It's not that this story they just did it yesterday, this video. The interview was done last year. Before this year, all this story come and say married 2 sisters, married 3 sisters. This story have already been said last year. So it's not a new story now because the cousin say they go viral now they won't come take matters. No. When I listen to this story, I say, wow. This story, it come out at the particular time. So please go and watch it. The name is Nebo TV. Look at it, Sam. When I say when I go hear the story, it is not our Obaiware second Ogidigan of Benin Kingdom that started it. It has been happening in our kingdom, Benin Kingdom, the great Benin Kingdom. Oba Atokpe is Ori Oba wa asun weteneboro wa. Ogare wesha iya mwabogbu wa na mo tafo. Share the link on Facebook, ma. Okay, I will share it. Let me just share it now. So you people should go and listen to the story. Must watch and listen to. Thank God this story have been must watch and listen carefully. This story have been told before the something come out. So who can fool himself now? Who can fool himself now? Eh? Are you fooling Bena? Amati. Amen wafio boji. Okay, I've shared the story. It's there. Okay, Wakiaten Arena. So, my people, let me read a short psalm for our enemies. Psalm 23. You are welcome. Psalm 23. When the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still water. He restored my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of shadow of death, I fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy scarf, they comforted me. Thou prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointed my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Yes, so God be the glory. To God be the glory. He has already prepared a table for us in the presence of our enemy. We will be better in their presence, and we will continue to be better, more better in their assets. We continue to be better after they have gone for our sake. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. So, yesterday, I said I want to come out. To talk about this. What is her name? Oh, this girl that was looking for her daughter, Joy. I was looking for her daughter. That was looking for her daughter. That said that the madam sold her daughter 19 years ago. You know, we have already have a contact with the daughter. Then I now said here that I don't want to communicate with any of them. After they have betrayed themselves, they are communicating with me. It's just like insult to me. It irritates me. So as I leave a message that she should call German First Lady. So that money of it, I think that money of it on the breaking us was on the 3. So the 4 of it, look at how she addressed me. Let me show it to you people. I said that after she went to that side to... After she went to that side to talk, I remember, she can't call me the next day because I see the date, everything is here. The last time I spoke with her was on the 17th. Look, on the 10th of April. I spoke with her. The last time I spoke with her was on the 17th of April. From there, I did not hear from her till she went there and did a video in that man's live video. The one that was asking them to pay. Of which year they are even owing us our ticket money. That man said that they should pay him immediately, fill the form. The madam from Canada should pay. So I think that is how they think that is how we are making money here. I wish them all best of luck. But everybody should mind this your own business. When you are doing, don't you beg your normal can't wear. It will be better if everybody can continue on its own way without trying to distract one another. Okay? So you people know, she called me that after she went there to insult herself. I said that I see the missed call. This is the 2 missed call. You see, on the 20th of May. I said I saw the missed call. Then I was expecting her to call me again. She didn't call me until on the 4th of June. When we when we do the video until on the 10th of June, that we have found the baby. Look how she now sent me. You know that I told you that after that night I said that she somebody coming that the second daughter or the third daughter, I don't know, that he had for a Ghana man was taken to Ghana. The very thing she used to greet me the next day for her to say, thank you, you have found my baby. She sent me the picture of that her daughter. I don't want to show her face here. She sent me a picture of that her daughter. Okay, wait. She sent me a picture of that of her daughter. This is her daughter, the second daughter, the one that was they said was taken to Ghana. Then she wrote that this is my second daughter. You people said pardon. You know who sabi write their pardon where? You want see him? She write and said this is when we go to Italy. You see him? So whether the get done, whether the Ghana man carry go Ghana, whether the first one, the second one I carry go, the third one I don't care to know. So she was accusing us, saying that we were talking about her that the Ghana man carry picking go that side. When she still say I don't reply her because she don't want my reply, then she now send a voice message. I want you all to listen to this voice message.
Hello. Come on. A video no pe. Wuga mo we. Mo. Mi te we itie si gba ha. Mamwela ni. Ibe tie Japan First Lady. That maybe I ring now. WhatsApp or ring command pick. Oh, I'm your women. Nitie Japan First Lady.
Mona listen, oh. Mona listen the audio where she said come to me and to Japan First Lady. Listen very well. Let me replay it.
Hello. Come on. A video no pe. Wuga mo we. Mo. Mi te we itie si gba ha. Mamwela ni. Ibe tie Japan First Lady. That maybe I ring now. WhatsApp or ring command pick. Oh, I'm your women. Nitie Japan First Lady. Ite call line oge oma pick maybe or ring na. E no se na ti we mo mi la wo. Every ijo mo we be hin. Ijo mo ohun. Ijo mo ohun no la wo. Emi ga ro ni mewu. Ya we egba no ma fo so no la wo. The boy ya we hoy. We may hear ya mi ovi me na sis wa mi ekeno vi meje ne or ekeno vi meje. Ihe ya mi ovi me na no la wo. Because egba no ma fa mi ma no made the mistake ba gbona. Because it tie what tie mamu phone me and what to bo be confirm o beta we ga tie we. So it tie we mamu call me so no la.
Let me correct her here. I confirm that she called me a day after when she went there, when she see the video that we do to contradict them. That was when she called me. I saw her 2 missed call. Is here. The 2 missed call is here. Is here. When I see her, I said it. So I'm not interested. You don't carry and go. I said, if to this lady will come and say, Mama Gladys, please, I know you are the only person that can handle this case. You have started it. I want you to finish it. I know where the baby is. If not, where they can go. The madam to the never call Japan First Lady. That useless Janet, man, when they call herself madam, where they Canada, where picture don't go everywhere. Wait for your this yo. Wait for it. Not be me go give her to you. Woman could have wait for it. She never called Japan First Lady. When she When she dey go for them, when she dey check. When they go hear juju, they go dey check. Because you are guilty. Are we fido and being? They know they're already guilty. That's why when they hear that I say, oh, juju that I mean, make a drink water. They were just asking a simple question. If they drink water like this Christmas goat where they want to do Christmas. When I go say me I drink water, yes, because I stay here for 2 hours, even more than. But they was just interviewing and not up to 10 minutes. He didn't want me. Ejeleti, evil people. Evil people. They never do DNA. They have to do DNA to know the confirmation if it's the baby, because they say the children many boku where they need DNA test where they look for their mother and their father. So make you never start to the borrowing and they are coming for you. Nonsense. Now the money, the old document is with me and everything, but it's the blood. They said it's 99.99. Now they tell you know whether they bump the pick. If in a 95, lie. So make una the present and the baby. When I come here, I continue. When I hear them.
Oh. No loud. No your boy I will call. Ìyẹn wúra mọ́wọ́ ẹni no máa hẹ́kẹ́ wà tí mẹ́bẹ̀ tí máa lélẹ̀ máa wọ́rí ló láàwọ̀ ló láà no your boy I will call. Ìwé nìyẹn yà mí ọmọ ẹ̀ ọ́nì yóò ní yíyẹn ọ́nì yóò ní yẹn.
Now, you see the way she is even asking. He won't know where the picking. They are still saying, "Fear not let this useless girl." Ask her madam for phone that the very first time I went to my first lady, put us for conference call. The madam they call, they say, "You no fear. You can't report her." She said she can't report her to me. Now so she dey shake. Now attack the madam. Don't try it in my presence. You deal with her for my presence. When person when they look for a picking, you sit. Me I not trust me. I not trust me. She can't respect me or not respect me. I'm not interested. The respect that God has given me is okay for me. Person see and when they talk say, I be mother. Oh, why are you here? You see people that is not capable to be a mother. They are the people that will be telling you, you know you are a mother, please forgive. Do you forgive yourself as a mother? If it is some mother, when you go to Spain, you don't even supposed. And not those children have already been giving birth to. Now the one where they collect from your hand, now you will first fight. Now you go first fight, collect, before you go think to get other ones. How much one say you forget the picking for the past 19 years? When God go they punish you, now when frustration won't kill you now, when I call the first person one I won't put her for body. This same message go to the one we say Fiona of Bergamo, the human trafficker that call herself my sister. She's giving information from one place to the other thing that she want to bring me down. She have already bring herself down. The husband in Switzerland. The father of Osaze, and if he lives in Switzerland, he's a big man in Switzerland, married to another woman with children. Nobody is calling Bovis Agbe Noruwa to destroy his name or his image or calling his sisters. Fiona bring Bovis brothers and sisters to Europe. I pay my madam, now my mother tell you talk. I say like the ones now monoba free now. Now I go with it. Don't even go talk. The ones who not paid 20 years ago, you are all debtors. Our cows are you know you are temasa and you know tie. Debtors when they come out now they insult people. They will not pay, madam. Una not pay, una not shame, una they call them match down. Monoba do me well. Monoba say that this shit the way just come 5 years back when past Libya come. Now they free. Our chaos. If not the Monoba will come to say, this are chaos and they forget my tell the talk. You cannot even talk with your mates today. They will baptize them one by one. Never went online. Okay. So this message is for Fiona. Fiona cannot bring out her money to look for his children. The contract say that you now you be mother why you are more why me. òun náà wọ́n online. Oh, no, if you pay when you forgive you. Ah, Jomo, well, except you get to one more boy. When these people, when they have sold their souls to the devil, they have used their handy heads to use their children to Bezaga. Then they call a friend one, they all call put her for a head. Look at how this girl was saying, a Gladysy. And I know that was already gone. Look at the way that she's still asking. Say where the picking. Then she called me and because for work I know they on my phone and they put her for office. I see the missed call, never reach her. 3 hours I reach her, she called me. Now I say waiting. And he's saying yes, say we don't see the picking. Yes, we don't see your picking. And the way forward now is for you to go and do DNA. There's 2 types of DNA. The first one is medical, legal medical, medical legally. That is legal medical. That one, they got that one. The result of that one, if you take and do anything, passport or the Italian passport or everything, they inside because medical legal, that's medical legal in Italian English be legal medical receipt. You understand me? Then the other one of 250 euro, that one are normal paper, but now the same results they go get, but it's not powerful. Not be say the result not that powerful. That 250 euro, now to just know say now you're picking 99.99%. Just like the other one legally, we go take do passport, take do any document. So I advise her to come and do the one of 250 to make to look that the daughter, the girl is a biological daughter. Do you people know what she said to me? She said she cannot come now because her colleagues is in vacation. And yes, so this person will say they look for a pikin for 19 years ago. When say no fee wait under a month, we go another platform. Go to Juno the Hoy. Now they tell me now say he colleague there for vacation. So she never know when she go get a vacation to come. Now as she try to talk say now so we talk and here say Ghana Makale Pikin go Nigeria. Now the audio there's no me playing it. Ya here gbene say me I call the play the no second yak body. Come on when they get out. Now God tell her say when she's ready, she should let me know. She will continue insisting that so we talk and here they talk and say when I hear and so they take my the spell and say that so born for Ghana man the Ghana Makali Pikin because now I pass on her. I'm waiting for her to call me that she will come in a month time, in 2 months time, 3 months time, that so that we should make an appointment. Peace of mind. DNA is not powerful. What do you mean that DNA? Sandy, what do you mean that DNA is not powerful? What is powerful? If DNA is not powerful, 99.99 that can say that it is our daughter is not powerful. Now the one where you the right and that can't be powerful. Sandy, correct your what you wrote there, okay? So this is a person who say in office stay. Till say they look for a pikin, in office stay for a month. When we say I give that lawyer and the Nigeria Association for Napoli made the airport look and with underground without say they can't implicate the madam. Thank God say the madam don't implicate herself. The video is there. Who won't copy and don't copy and when time reach, now she will go a legal purpose man for all government office use. Thank you. Yeah. So so I tell her say make she come do the DNA. She said her colleague there for holiday. She never called and said because she have to call me and let me know when she will be free so that we will make an appointment in the hospital where they are going to do the DNA. And I will still tell the mom that the mother and the daughter that day so that everybody will prepare for that day. That is just it. After 19 years now she no fit wait. Yeah. So that's it. To more close her case. I'm not for here too much here to deliberate more. Oh, now finish like that. Let us go. Let me call this our sister that was deported this morning. Mona Yeramo, a Nigerian man, a dumb man. Now he give this girl pele two pikin dey born together. He said because he dey love Oyibo woman now. He said the girl when I dey more I hear from her. Just hear from her. And I have the name of the brother. I will not show your picture this evening. I have all your information. I will wait. I will wait for you to call and tell us what trespass. Before I will share your video, I will share your picture and your sister's picture. He said I have 3 sisters here. He said you have 3 sisters in not here. You have 3 sisters in Germany. You people orchestrate. You people join together with the German lady to deport her with the 2 children. Oh, I'm not saying network. Let me go and try it direct. If this thing don't go direct, we'll call. Wait till me save the number. I pity the children when the children they cry today. Oh. My God, my God. My people, we want to respect on ourselves. Oh. We want to respect on ourselves. Oh. They say Germany, no they play. Oh. No, they say they give a negative just a week ago, make you leave the country. Before she know it, now so they don't come meet her this morning. Then they call the man where give her belly, and the man no green. Where give her belly, that's the baby father. That's why I say no, they come. Or if we say they don't plan her together. One year, as she tell explain, I be like saying that money of excuse me. Money when they give them for benefit now cause this wahala so. One year now. One hear the story. Now my money I tell the cause so. Now my money I tell the cause so.
The person you are calling is on another call at the moment. Do hold on.
Why you go to another cause? Make you leave this call. Make you leave this thing free for me. Come on, please. I told you should leave this thing free for me this evening.
Hello, the person you are
Hello.
okay.
Hello.
One moment.
Yeah, but I'm more you want. You want call your WhatsApp because you go me call direct now. You call your WhatsApp.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. My people, this is fear me. When I come from work, I just see miss call for the sister where come from Germany. He said that he deport somebody this morning. Now I said, come on, don't come take me play. Make I don't come and people come to say, Mama Gladys don't see and another this thing come again. He said, no, Mama, they don't reach Nigeria. That's not a lie. Oh, go here now. They deport at 4 o'clock this morning. She don't do Nigeria at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Hello, Jay.
Ma.
Call your I beg, introduce yourself to us. So this is the chocolates me. Tell us what really happened.
Now this morning they conquer me and my children for house. So they say for Gelsenkirchen, they say their children, Papa no one bring himself, come and say he no one take responsibility of the children. And the boy now, he no one even care because I know allow they take the child benefit from me. Not be waiting, he tell me say he want to use me do for Germany. Now Greece I they stay. So as Greece get problem, everybody they come out. Now I take come out. Now I take.
Okay, sister. Isabel, hold on. Start everything as you tell Noam. Maybe just start everything as you tell one thing today.
Now my girlfriend for Greece, now make me know him.
Which year be that? Which year be that?
That was year 2015. Ending of year 2015, I come from Greece, enter Germany. So as I come, I be that kind of person. Now I dey quick get belle. That's why I just say get belle. So he can't say me I don't remove her, me I just leave her. Say now so me and you want marry. So what did they now be say? He get Oyibo way born take give her paper. He even they tell me say he no want marry the girl and all that. He want marry tribal girl. You know all those Oyibo marriage they get problem. When I call they say not be last problem go come they come. If you know say you want to stay with this girl now stay with her. He say no. So as I come to true enter Greece, I don't already get belle. Enter Germany, I don't get belle for her. So I come to notice the character say it be like saying that girl or Igbo girl now he like. So as I come notice the character, I come say okay, if now so I go just off you work out my own. But he come dey see him pikin. So na so e delay everything, even the passport. He no dey even tell me as I go waka. Your man for not know wetin dey happen. Anybody go advise me, he go dey vex. You understand?
I bet
Go
you
even dey
said.
tell me sef, dey
Hold on. When you talk to me this evening, you thought say when you dey conceive, he put you for a sister's house.
his sister house, yeah, his sister's house. There be 3 for Germany. One dey Hanover, that one dey form pastor wey be say she no be pastor.
I bet call the name of the sister. Call the name. I don't go show that picture now.
Evelyn, the one na Evelyn Egbeka, that one na MFM church for Hanover. Now she the pastor for there. She and her husband.
What is the name of the church? What is the name of the church?
MFM.
MFL. Hello? What is the name of the church?
The name of the church na the pastor name na Osaro Egbeka. Why the wife my children papa auntie. So they even call the woman this morning, say like brother no go call immigration for my sake. That's the pastor wife, so whether they form pastor. You understand? He say like. So the woman na Evelyn Egbeka, then the other of his sisters wey be say na children of the carry each other. One na Osase Igbineweka, the other one na Osairume Igbineweka. Then this boy so na Alfred Igbineweka.
We dey hear you.
The young guy against ma.
We dey hear when you dey conceive. Wetin happen?
Yeah.
Wetin happen when you dey conceive? You come put it for the sister house.
When I dey conceive, when I dey conceive, my sisters even join her. They say na marriage they like me, make I just stay and all that. So even lock me for inside, maybe I belle fair big reach 3 months before you allow me go camp. Even my girlfriend will make me know, I call they tell me say you go camp first. If you say no, say me that one not talk me I fair get belle, me I not go follow another boy for camp. I call the say maybe he really ready and I see my tribal person. That make me up put my say okay, not true. And the way sister see they talk put. I call they say the boy maybe he really ready. Now I say get belle, as I get belle finish, I don't born. He come put and say na him be the papa. So from there, he's supposed to they put me through, say what you will do, see what you will do. But he can't be like say he they observe say what you can't use me to do. He be like say I open, I reach there. So he come from there, they bring problem. Me and I problem come they observe say okay now. He be like say na that Oyibo. He come they push come front now say now Oyibo na ain't like pass. You know, say pregnant woman is also peace than a peace. If I your peace na problem, any little thing when I do, they're gonna find fault. They're gonna find mistake for all my body. They're gonna look me, they're gonna they judge me. You know, now if family not fit, the sister them no fit cheat you, they're gonna do all sorts of things. So I can't be around. I can't later as I go camp, German people can't transfer me, can't go the city where I did. So he come from Frankfurt.
Hold on. Hello, hold on, my sister, German First Lady. When would you talk this evening? You say it is. You say they're very difficult. Say German go deport underage pick. That is underage. It says pikin wey dey under 5 years. Our children is 3 years and how many years your children dey?
1 year and 7 months.
The first one 3 years. The second one 1 year and 7 months. So German First Lady, regard the right hand down and make you know as you take as relation. We dey hear you, my sister. Continue.
So from then I come born the first one. As I born now so you know even show me way. Say now so you will do. We go say you want show me way. Go they tell me another thing. What if the way people they tell me? It go they call they say where they go they ask question. And where they say you want lead me to wrong place. So now me and I even go do a Nigerian passport for my first son. May I for go put in for in document as far as say Papa don't put a hand. So now he's supposed to follow me to go there. So mistake come there for immigration. Whether I remove one alphabet to I don't know. You understand? Whether I remove one alphabet, I don't even know self. So the immigration call they say na so my pikin name not correct. They want redo am again. It can't take another 6 months. So as we can't go submit the passport last, even the immigration by themselves they tell me say my son they entitled to offend that way passport. I can't say our immigration delay made them wait. So as they don't do, I can't go submit. A year and 4 months, they not bring my pikin document come out. Me, I don't even know say na because say Papa not follow me. Go tell them say na pikin na the kind paper where I get now I'll give my pikin. So when I can't understand, I can't.
Hold on, sister. Sister, hold on. Which paper your baby father get? Which paper he get?
Now, he gets 3 years. In paragraph 28.
That's which one be paragraph? No, sir, no, Deja, no. Which one be paragraph 28?
The paragraph, the way the paper strong reach, now paragraph 28, he go let her take give the children.
Okay, we are there, hear you, okay.
Yeah, so now, he supposed follow me, go there, then he go come see the pay papa money. So, as he know go, he say, let me one off, he go. As far as he end up put hand for the children, say no problem. Then when they come give me rejection, nah, he even say, okay, wetin wan happen?
But hold on, sister, hold on. Which year they give you rejection? Which year?
They give me rejection. That was 2000 and when my son did 5 months. I can't go for an interview. Then after 2 weeks, my son now dey a year and 3 years now. Then that should be. I born my son 2016. Yeah, 5 months interval. Let me say we only enter 2017. Now I take go for interview.
Okay, hold on. When they refuse when they give you negative, you never born the second one. Your pikin just there for 5 months by then.
Yeah, when they give me negative, they can't give me negative. As they give me negative, so now there I found he can't say make I tell the authorities say me and he must stay together. You understand? So now I got a take lawyer because I even will say may I never go my city. Then I go do Christmas for where in the 2016 Christmas stroke 2017 now they talk so. Wait. So he can't say me I never come go my city. Say me they not call me. As somebody call me say I get rejection so. Say me I wait. Now I can't wait for Frankfurt. So from there they take lawyer.
I beg, hold on. When you go meet her for the city where they wanna stay for the same house or in there for a bow house?
No, as me come from Greece, now he take come off for Oibo house. You understand? He said the Oibo they give her straight, the Oibo they disturb her. Now so Oibo not good, blah 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 blah. And the sister they condemn the Oibo give me. You understand me? Now he say come out. You know, I can't see the way condition be, the way Oibo they disturb her. I can't say okay if now so back come off for there. If now there go make you focus. I don't say make you leave the care. Since it don't happen, Say I can't enter the scene like this. I don't say make you leave her. You understand? So as I dey come, so make 2 of una day. So anyhow, if you can see your children, I can't conclude that like that. Since I know go fit force am make leave the care. You understand? Now I can't rest. So as it can't be, so they can't ask am. He can't say me I tell my lawyer say me and he want stay together. Me I use and make appeal like that. I can't use and make appeal like that. But if we not come stay together, house where you go carry and some more house. You understand? Now I say it can't don't reach when my children paper will take come out. When my son paper will take come out. Now I can't go meet lawyer. Say I beg. Me and my pikin papa, me and my children papa, my son papa, we not go stay together again. He has too small. What thing you go do now? I beg write to immigration say I want me and my son see in paper for that same city where I did. So now the woman can't say okay. As the woman say okay, can't write to immigration like that. Now immigration can't request this boy, may can't take responsibility. That is may can't they pay papa money so that me my son pay documents for come out. Now papa money that they draw this boy, I can't even tell her say I beg. Pay I go return back your money. If now like people will know my house, where go fit call you for live video, the day where you make live video. They'll tell you, say, I buy a safe where I go, they put the money, they wait down. Anytime where you can't see children, I go, they return the money. He say, no, let me go use my mouth, tell them, saying they put money. Now I can't go meet my manager. My manager can't tell me, say, no, they must see evidence. Say, Frankfurt, to where me they stay, if I. So, you know, but if they come every day, they give me money, say, nah, lie. I can't tell her like that, say, I beg. Now, they say, now you go come. Me and you go make a hand track. Me will sign. Say, yes. Me and you agree. Say you they come they see me, you they come they see the children on time. He say no go fit come from Frankfurt. So inside all this matter, now for come get the second belle, wey be say I come born my daughter 2000 I born my daughter 2007 because I get belle follow my daughter, my son when he dey 8 months. So I born my daughter
17.
Or in November 2017. Yeah.
Okay, that is
November 5th, 2017. Yeah. Now I take born my second daughter. So inside this period, so instead of want to follow me go office, you know, go. Even when I born my daughter, I force am, make he call his papa, say, somebody born for me, oh. Get where they born for you. Your sisters know your say, which family this girl for come? They know your ass. Now therefore, you can see the finish, say, this which kind of family be this one? As I born, the sisters no go even say, how you take bath pikin? How who can follow you there now?
Pastor wife dey inside the sister, what would they talk so?
Yeah, pastor wife dey. I go send you their church banner on Facebook. I will send you their church banner. We go see hear from them first before I go bring out their pictures. Mommy, this family where you dey talk so the way they will take spoil me you go even curse me, I swear. But God bears my weakness. I'm innocent. Mommy, he not pay me say they deport me, but my innocent children. You asked me to give you kids. Why did you frustrate them?
Okay, but hold on. Okay. Hold on. Before we when you born your pikin and then we stop now. When you born your pikin and a month and a year and 7 months ago, yeah. Wetin can happen? Wetin can make this deportation under? When this deportation? When
the reason why they say they go house, they say their papa not take responsibility. They say so that he go they follow me, they go. Since he pay paper not be passport, German passport, say a normal resident. The boy suppose they follow me go office. They tell they say now maybe their papa the kind paragraph where he gets now children want to carry. They can say, okay, now you need to come to see the children. You need to pay for them. So since I want give me paper, I know if you tell him, may he come they pay me, I they chop the money. I can say I go they return and give him. He said no, make me go tell government. Say he they give me for hand. I go tell my manager. My manager say where me and they say it too far. If they walk too, you know go fit come they see me say na lie. May I go they bring evidence. The paper where they send money for bank. You understand? I know I release the money. You understand? Now I say, see what they tell me. Come me go gotta make a sign say you they give me for hand. You know agree come. Even when I born my second daughter, you know agree come. You know just they show up because he don't even he go past my back, put in for the children money. Go the write letter they give government say you want put in for the children money. You understand? So he can't deceive me now. Say may I bring all the paper? I say may I not worry. After I don't put in for the children money. He go put my account. He not go put my account. Could you believe that this boy sign my signature for where he forgot put in for children money? Okay, I can't leave her. I can't tell her, say, if you not send the children money, come for me. Only my money not reach say they feed. I beg, they bring down. Before this boy go bring this money, mommy, I'll first go pick Pampers, follow supermarket first. Free Pampers so that they put for there. Before you go come send money, come. Now I come say, it's getting too much. Me and I call they call each other with a voice note for WhatsApp. It go cost my family. Even this boy carry
so my sister, no, hold on. So hold on. So you are telling me that our Nigeria Edo boys,
Edo boy na Benin boy,
Alfred Bineweka. So now only they do how they made it like that for Jim when they told me when I go to see go Monda.
I think German boys they do. Yes, me another person for not go for their victim. I want spread this boy for social media. Not be only you want I go because German president too. May spread that. I don't say report to that one. That one can say okay. He go call and may hear inside of story first. But now person will not like social media. But what he do me so he go enter social media. He and his sisters. I know when they call you, when you want to hear from them, they say, mommy, the way they will destroy me, you will hate me. But I don't care. I know.
It can happen.
Yes, I want to bring it first come out. I want to bring it first come out. May another girl not go for their victim.
Well, I know I'll show the picture this evening. I'll go investigate. I'll give the case to German First Lady. Make help me investigate because my work, they make me tight. Now the guy make them, the body lady. And German First Lady, I will send you the boy phone number, the picture and everything. Make you help me investigate. And Nuta, continue. Hello?
Yeah.
Also, okay.
So that be the thing. Now, German people.
And then
German people can't tell me now, say, waiting what happen. They say as far as say their papa not take responsibility, say we know if it can be liability for the German government hand. Say now them man make them tell me make I come out. Now I say, but I don't get a father or mother for Nigeria where want me take care of them. Their papa they here. I wanna say make I do if I reach house. They say now so he get another children. That boy get 7 children for Frankfurt there.
What?
With my own, oh. With my own mommy, if you calculate the, will be 4 women away from 7. Jama not recognize one, say na pikin. But Jama recognize 6 with my children.
No, hold on. No, hold on. If Jama government recognize your children, why they can't deport you with the children?
I don't know. Now, if they push you, you go come out, say they write letter, say, and they write letter against me, say, I don't know, you talk where immigration, they tell me this morning. Say, now my children, Papa, now I write letter. Say, you know, if you take care of all the children, you understand? Say, me, they take me on my own. Even when I dey airport, they call them. He say, they can't say, the girl say, you want to drop your children. He say, no, me, they pack me, follow me. Now, what he talk this morning? All my friends, they call him since he off his phone, since morning.
No,
everybody they help me, they swear for him. Since.
No, make you hold on. When they come meet, no, oh, wait. I said the boy and his family are very wicked. No, hold on, wait. When they give you this, like, that is follow Divya for each other. So, okay, you get this follow Divya, that's you negative, leave the country. When they give you this, this paper, make you leave the country. When they give you the paper.
They give me 3 months ago, I don't have tire. So everywhere where I had put, I know I was, where I go had put, you know, say Jama people that they worry. They'll call and look people where they the apartment. May problem not go meet people where they had for their house. Now I say, you go carry me. I don't have any other option. My children will come be like Chris people for Germany for there. Some people go help me call out, they go deny me, go say you don't know me. If he lie, I go send the voice note where they deny me for you, mommy. Voice note where they deny me, say you don't know person where the woman they talk and na voice. I go send you the voice note. If you talk to this boy, you see I'm saying that in voice. He say you don't know who be Mama FAO. You don't know I'm amazing. Say the woman they talk.
Okay, but hold on.
If they deny my son, if they deny my first son, they go say I carry the belly come from Greece. Wait, be say now you if you see my son, you'll see the boy face say na papa. Even 2 of them, they don't resemble me. They are their papa family, and they resemble.
Why? The family of where's the father's?
Mommy, if now this boy use the money carry me go abroad, he not go pay me. I wish he come marry me for Nigeria, carry go abroad, say he want use me make money. I not talk, but not be you carry me come. Even from Greece to Germany, not be you to carry me go there. I use my money, take sponsor myself enter there. They are waiting you can't do me now after you don't deceive me, use marriage deceive me. Now for you to frustrate me and my kids.
No,
I'm not talking about the money where Jama they give me. I'm talking about my children care. Picking anything they do picking now you will see free hospital carry and go they'll treat them fine. Where it is for Nigeria.
Okay, I bet hold on. German first lady they ask say Africa German first lady, my friend. She then say your husband get paper, why you they hide? He said they give German first lady, he said they give a negative, said the husband said no fit take off in your children because he don't get other 5 children where they take care of. Abi?
Yeah.
So that 3 months ago when they give make you leave the country, you say you take lawyer. Wait till lawyer can't talk.
I take lawyer. So my lawyer can say now the law where they the country say if the children papa not show responsibility to the children, not get contact with them. It's as the same say their father not they here. You understand? As far as saying now me be their mama where they deal with, I get rejection already. My children go partake for the rejection. You understand me? Now they say me and my children come month. I can't call them say I beg. May we settle this thing, may we go do it. He can't deceive me, say may I bring the paper where they say may I come out. As I send her for him may finish. He go show his sisters, they can't say may he block me till tomorrow. We quarrel, it cost my family, I cost your own family. They want to talk, they say may I come use my knee, take crawl for Frankfurt first before their brother will follow me. My son used circumcised. Blood they follow, they leak. Blood they leak follow. How wanna say me I take my children follow Gezikeshi to Frankfurt. May I come back Guna. You understand me? So ever since now he block me. If any people use, if I give a number to people, say Mona help me call her. He go deny me say he don't know. Abel,
hold on. God, your mom, you say she should stop telling lies. Which lie? Which lie is she telling? My phone number is them. Wait, hold on. Hold on. My phone number is there +39 351 00 97089. Please, somebody should write it out. My phone number is +39 351 00 97089. Lawyer cannot change Europe law. So this morning now, that's after 3 months. So you just said the apartment. This apartment, they tell you, so you did there. Hello.
No, since 3 months, I had they go. You understand me, mommy? Since 3 months, I can't say since lawyer never give me go ahead, may I go as I go stay where I did. So later, lawyer even I go send you the because I get a automatic voice record for my phone. So anything where you and anybody call talk, you go the record.
So my phone
lawyer can't tell me say as far as saying them, ma.
As soon as my phone still be, I got automatic record. Talk, and I hear you.
Yeah, so now my lawyer can't tell me say as far as saying make a second asylum for my daughter, say you not go fit go Africa because of circumcision, maybe they not go circumcise them. Say indoor right for they say they safe. Now I take house. You understand? So today now.
Since when you come back to that house? Since when?
Nah, it don't reach a week and some days now.
A week and some days now, they continue to say you don't dare there. Then this morning.
They know say I did there. They know. Because I did go I don't go do renew, come back to the house. They know say I did it.
So this morning now they use their key. Now you open door for them. What happen? As it happen?
No, well the thing will be say my children they sleep. You understand? Even yesterday night, body they keep me fine. I was like I pray now I sleep. You understand? But I not get where I want to go again. Now this morning around 4 because they open wire around 2. So as I open wire around 2, I can't sleep again. Around 4 they all press my bed. Inside sleep I can't say it be like say these people don't come. As I have to look my phone. The time now 4 o'clock now I say now they come so I don't get what I want to. I get children now so they press my bed. I can't say who be that. They say now house lender behold that's immigration. Now I say waiting I do waiting they happen. They say me I open door. The people mama Jama people good I beg. Now our blacks now they cause problem. Jama people they are nice. Anybody will go insult Jama people now God will punish them. Jama people they nice. They will give you long time. May not settle things amicably, but our black boys they push women, that they frustrate women life for them, but women don't want to talk. The women don't want to talk. You understand?
Who can't talk now? Who can't talk now? The one where can't they rude like you will say make you get your own voice now. Now this man can't do you like this now. So when they
you understand?
So when they press the bed this morning, waiting just because it is still a surprise.
Yeah, they press me there because they get every key for each house for downstairs. They open, they use their own key open downstairs. So they come when they reach.
I bet all those sister, somebody he said which city they for deport to, which city for Germany?
From Gelsenkirchen, after Essen, now near Essen, 20 minutes from Essen.
And this sister Mildred Isiwege, she said that she was with you on phone.
Yeah, now she be the girl who introduced me, give my children, Papa. Mildred, I'll be your semi gift. Yeah, now my friend who introduced me, give the boy. He even called the boy off his phone. How long did they cry since that girl? She only cried before my 6.
I bet.
She don't talk, tire, bros. Now me make this girl know you. Not frustrate her like this. Not be so you talk. You not hear.
I bet I will still. Okay, this morning when you call open door, what did they can't talk because that today on the thing.
So as I open door because me I eat today because some adult they generally small. I naked. As I naked, I not go open door. They use Dutch tell me they hear Dutch. I not fit speak am. But I never they go school. I want make my daughter first go school first, but it not go happen like that. I can't say me they wait say I want wear my clothes. They can't if say maybe I want commit suicide. They say they want bust the door. Now I can't quit open door. When they say I naked, now they can't even they carry wrapper for my hanger for my passage. Till the time he say, yeah, and I say, but I tell you now say I want wear clothes now. I'm not here. They say they feel say I want commit suicide. Now I say no, I get children. Now they can't say me I enter parlor, may we sit down, may we talk. So we can't sit down for my parlor. They talk. They say me I know first. Say now the authorities, not be even immigration self. Say now private farms. Now I authorize them, make they come carry me. Say I say papa no want show up. we not fit come be liability for German government hand. Now make us they say me I dey go house. Say from where my children papa dey to where I dey, you far. Suppose show concern, show responsibility. Say yes, in the care. He not show responsibility. Now they say make them tell me make I go house. The paper would they tell reject me. I forward everything, give him. I forward everything, give him. He block me.
Then the people wey come carry you, they call and tell and say, make you say make they carry only you, make this man come collect his children. This man said no.
Yes, I say Africa not. Yes. I say Africa not good. Say I beg, may come carry the children. If not so, me I can't talk for my mind. Say me if maneuver go back again. So may they carry the children, go meet their papa. I just tell them like that. Now what thing I think for head say me if I do me only let me want to come go back. But may they give.
I want to pay a call if you were.
Hello.
So they call all our me and not talk.
Hello.
I will hear you.
Yeah. So as they call them, they even that Mildred and the other sister because they can't quickly conference me when they can't give me my phone for airport. They conference me and that auntie will be pastor for Hanover and the two of the other sister. They conference all of us. They can't say okay. Anything when I do, may they forgive me. Even me, I can't say I beg because of the children where I born for.
The German, hold on. The German people, the German immigration where come carry you, they want to deport you. They can't beg the boy. That is the auntie to your children.
They call them, they call them. No, that's my friends. That girl so way right for you.
Okay.
They can't we call say I beg. May they tell their brother may call airport for Dusseldorf for police station. May tell them say may they leave me. Either a pastor, the way he's saying a pastor wife or the pastor him, the husband, he said no, he said lie. Say na so me insult the boy mama. Now I say my mama, my family where the boy fell insult to call before I retaliate. He said lie, their brother not go come rescue me. Me I dey go ask. That's what the woman talk.
No, as German first lady like say if you born for a man for Germany, he said the man named Deo. My sister, not be the man named there with it, not be there for the children son name.
Yeah, my first son Lawrence F.A. Igbineweka. While the second one Ivie Evelyn Igbineweka.
Okay.
Now that they answer. We do father shaft together, we do Zogeresh together.
What if it's Zogeresh?
Zogeresh na 50-50, say na me be their mama and their papa.
Okay.
That be 50-50. If that didn't get right, me get right. You understand? That be Zogeresh. Then the father shaft now to show say na yes, na him be their papa, na him couple hand. Say na him get them.
No, why they not deport the man? Why they not deport the man? Follow.
Because he gets resident permit. The reason where I tell them say they deport the man follow me. They say no, say he get other children with Oyibo. Say moreover now Oyibo na him with Oyibo. If they write a letter now Oyibo go reply them. You know say na their country person now that they have nothing to do.
What the man la we gbeswe ni
Alfred
Igbineweka. If you are watching this thing, call me
or
or
I want like a social media. If you like a social media,
somebody says you should not get una do all this thing why your children don't get document.
Boy, they delay. You don't follow me, go office. Go tell them, say, now the kind paper where they with them, I go there with my children. How I wish in a passport, they don't need the opinion. Not be passport, now resident permit to get. You understand? Now resident permit to get, you need to follow me, go offices. Go tell them, say, okay, they are my kids. Give them the kind of paragraph that I have. I wish then a German, now read Dutch, now German passport, they don't need the opinion. They'll give my children on his behalf. You understand me? So now make it delay to this extent.
People they talk say even if the man named dead the man no day with the woman, they go fit deport them. It's like say maybe they no marriage, she no get right. But this guy thing no good now. This guy thing no good now.
Mommy, I say if this family judge this matter, give you, they go pull salt and maggi. You go even hate me, I swear to God. You go hate me. Now the girl when introduce me give her that one don't talk tire bros. What did this girl do you?
Alfred Igbine weka
I
o.
don't let her go the top up.
Alfred Igbine.
German boys for Germany. They want me as girl they born. If we born give them paper, then they'll go carry one girl come from other country we don't know what is up for Germany. As that one they born, they go they collect the children money. That one no do safe. My own I open wire, I make am so they say oh I do open wire oh. Now so me get pepper body oh. Now say I know open wire. Now today I enter Europe. I no go do any. I know if I walk out say my slippers make noise for ground, they go say na character. Any little thing that they read everything. To the extent that they deny my children, say I carry the belle come from Greece. You understand? Mommy, I go send you my first son picture, but not put her for social media.
No.
Then you see the boy say it's my first son. Two of themselves, you see their papa, their structure, it dey my children body. They don't even resemble myself. They deny they go. I see my menstruation when I reach. Germany for my girlfriend present. After 1 week, I dey ovulate. Now I take go meet her where I get the.
I bet. Hold on. You know one thing. So which time you tell reach Nigeria this afternoon?
We come out 7 o'clock in the morning. Now our flight still move. Then we go reach Nigeria about 1:28. Yes.
I bet that the morning when I dey inside the plane, I know na there other people dey.
No, Mama, if you see the escort Jama, you get their own deportation flights. Escort will follow us, not be 80.
For only you.
We be about 20 people. Not be only me, about 20 people with the deport. Some boys and girls join, and me too.
Una dey yes so.
So for me, only me one get 3 escorts. Only me one, me and my children, 2 men and one woman, and doctor and nurse. Because I tell them say blood they come out for my son nose. They can't carry that doctor follow us. Make they check and they come before we come down. You understand?
Una yes so. He said.
I get 3 escorts. All one girl get 2 escorts. No, you for no wrong. People will drag. They go pull one cup for your hand. They can't say me I not drag. I be because of my children. May they not come they cry. Now answer give them say okay I know drag, but I just only they cry. They follow them, they come. Even to the extent, the one escort, he look me. Tears one come on for his eye. Make the knock out say he don't know he walk. Now he clear eye. He can't suffer call me enter corner say, may I not worry, what did my children papa do me? So he said there is law of karma. Now therefore, see mommy, I not believe law of karma before. When we both talk this afternoon for his side play, say me I not cry, say law of karma day. Anything when that boy do me go return. Now therefore just zip up. Now after reach Nigeria.
I think una here now. How many baby mama there for the play where for the deportee? I mean, now only you or other women there.
Yeah, now only me one. There anything baby mamas, they know they pack them like that. Now one by one they take them. Even one girl where they say he buy papa self. They say last week they carry that one go say somebody implicate the girl. They come cast and say no be real papa he put for him picking. They don't reach Nigeria too. No,
I will not understand. They deport one last week. They hear say.
That one is buy papa for a pikin, but somebody can't go implicate them. They can't really follow the case up. Say the girl, say he trill them, take paper. They can't say me and the boy where he bring as papa go do blood test. They can't say no be real papa.
Una the year na. Una the year now. Now where buy papa now? Now hear the latest news now say if they now as you said now we black they sell ourselves now. I know.
Yes.
Now we black the sell. So I say I don't want years so now they call so both for where I dey.
No, mommy, I dey talk. God will bless Jama. I beg, move yourself.
No be only Jama, Italy. Anywhere we dey.
God will bless Jama people. Now our black men and our black boys, Mommy, what did they do for Germany, What did our black boys they do for Germany, Oh my God. The ones where he dey clean, he go remove his head. The one where not they clean, now they go use their head carry what they plan for that Germany.
Amen. I bet my sister, I will call you back. Make I listen to I shared 3 calls from Germany. Make I listen to them. Yeah?
Mommy, okay, no problem.
I'll call you back, Okay.
Okay.
My people. Okay, una yes, so. Hello. say the Murphy don't enter one chance. So wetin concern the Murphy here now? Wetin concern the Murphy here? Hello. Hello, good evening, sister. Good evening. Mona, wait, now make we hear from people where they come from, James, step by step. Mona, let her call now. Hello, sister. Hello. Hello.
Hello, ma. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
We may motive with an egg, no tear with me.
I'm Asa, Master.
Again, no tear with me.
Okay, and my mama is going phone. I'm expecting.
Oh, Jackie, every year.
Oh. Hello, make we fair carry this Germany call. Hello. Hello. Mudia. No, I will not call a private number. I will not call a private number. Wait. Hello.
Hello, Mama. Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Yeah, ma. I just listening to the story of this sister. Although say I cannot comment, so I don't really know what is happening. I can't comment for your program.
No, forget about comment. When we go start to use my page now. You know these people. You know them because make an open life for people who know them. You don't know them. Okay,
I don't know them.
Oh.
The reason why when I come say, you see what that woman they talk. If as far as say the man no sign signature, say yes, these children, or because like Jamie, they get maybe every city get their own law of to issue person visa. At times it gets something like Banyan, they're very very strict. That is tight. You see that.
I don't know if this the family of the boy that want to talk now. Let us leave this thing. Okay, sister, we don't hear you. Thank you. Make we carry the this one. They say good evening, ma. Please, I'm here in Germany. Cannot deport underage. You just know what to say the pikin. They want them for 3 years. The other one they 1.5. Person they talk say the pikin they 3 years. The other one they 1.5. You they talk say them no fit deport. I be more na carry on education go that side. I beg. We are not really, we are talking, see you, the person they talk and say, they deport the pikin where they 3 years. The small one a year and 7 months. You they tell say Jeff nothing deport pikin where they under 3 years. I be more na on herself. Hello, sister. Hello.
Calm down. Where got back mama irrelevant talks in it. Calm down.
Now, do you know this lady?
No, Germany Major, you understand. She even though you explain everything, she's correct.
Okay.
Again, dumb. She's not dumb.
Okay.
She's not dumb. Ebo already the other man. Ebo that for when.
I beg speak English. Some people they here I beg speak English. Since I beg just our broken language.
Yeah. The Oibo of that man, nine just a spoil market. So and that woman, the Oibo woman, nine just scatter everything. And she scatter everything.
But excuse me.
What we will do if the pictures will come out, then we see how will they help her out again. Since the man already signed her, but the woman, the white woman, no want make her accept and that be the problem. Germans they know, but their own person don't involve. Now what did that one talk? Now stand. You understand? So make the girl give you every picture, then try to contact them. They will know how would they follow.
Yes.
You understand?
He said they deport 20. All of them today are 20. She now let she be baby mama. Where the other one boys and girls. When I see we for una to stay for one country, when I for enter, when I pack from here they go Germany. Just see them now.
No. That country, Greece not good. Don't talk about Greece not good.
No.
Greece not good. That 2015, they pack come out because they freed them, their border. You know, Greece not good. For real, Greece not good.
They said the woman not be. They said the woman not be even German woman. They said a Turkey woman. No.
That man is heartless. That man is heartless.
They say they call her this morning. They call the sisters this way. Say, they come collect the children. The sister said no, say because the girl caused their mother. Because when the boy called the girl mother not be mother. Okay, Wesha. Not be today I go respond to them. We go arrange for them. Okay, sister, make a call another call, eh? Okay. No. You could hear from this sister. He said the most women in Germany are from Turkey. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Mama.
Hey, sister Do. Good evening.
Yeah, ma. Welcome.
But you know this.
Mama, what are they try? I don't know these people, but what now they try to talk? They say, what did the woman they explain? Because now Jamie, I did. Me, I dog my friend. This kind of don't happen to her. Thank God say that the man not fit deport her. This man go fit write letter to foreign office to foreign office say make the deport her. The man go fit do am. You understand? As far as the man not.
Hello.
Hello, mommy. I don't know that. Now, they mean they call with private number because my phone, internet, I say they call you. I don't to get credit for my phone.
Okay. You say you know this sister when I deport so?
Yes, now my friend, my name is Igwe. She know me. Even with that, they beg the boy when she come around last month. When she come, my brother of our friend, me trade house. That they beg the boy.
Hello. Hello.
Mommy, you hear me? Now the boy sister, now they persuade her, may not answer this girl so. Say because he insulted, they don't even feel for all those two children. Say these children, they don't know anything, they be innocent children.
We dey hear you. Okay.
Everything when this girl talk now truth. Mommy, they hear me. Everything when she talk now truth. Now what Alfred you do one, she talk so.
And the Alfred's brothers sisters, they support Alfred for this way he do so.
Yes, even one day, me myself, I was forced to call the one that they call Junior, the Alfred brother too. He stand for the word when they talk, say they don't want to answer for the matter. Say they like me, they deport her.
Okay.
They don't get conscious as well. I see the children. When I hear the call, I don't get myself. Every day you see the house, I'm not say Nigeria.
I say when I talk to them this evening. When I hear the children, they cry. We were there here, like it don't start. Me, I know they feel sleep again in the night. They open windows, open everywhere down. Just imagine Nigeria.
I tell me like I don't feel it. I don't feel it because everybody we all sit down. She stay cry. Say no worry, me go meet. Me even tell her if that be the case, go meet the boy for Frankfurt. Hold her for wait. Or if you reach there, you all stop like they say the boy where you get the key for a day here. Hold her. Say, they don't feel carry you die family. So that they'll come carry her. They go meet her for Frankfurt. Make sure say for police stay there. They there where you the whole land. He say go.
Osa, when you say when that caller know whether the man get the children, which kind of question they ask so? Which kind of question be that? Don't let me make I'll block you.
That person they create. I may not be the type when they flex up or down. Maybe they know your carry all those year story. Maybe they don't carry story where they don't know. Okay, mommy, we're waiting.
Okay, welcome. My people, I'm speechless, I'm voiceless. Maybe I say the voice of the voiceless people. Because I get many things where I want reserve. I want hear from the boy or from the boy's sisters. Waiting really happen. I hear and I say the girl say if they talk to us, we go call it the girl. Okay, this Sister Frances said they know him. He even tell me go hand over to meet the auntie of the boy. Well, shall make we close. I know what to tell her what he go do. Tomorrow you have to take another step. My people, I'm voiceless this evening. First time, say I don't know what I want to talk for this situation now. Because if I make I handle them the way I say they handle them, they'll consider say, well, you never, meanwhile they just say they investigate where. Because when they call me this evening, it was around 7 when I come from work. So, before I call see the guy number, it was around to 7:38. So, you know, quick me. Take call the boy to say make I investigate the boy. You understand me? Hello. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening. This caller from Greece, Abi. Which country they use 30? Yes, the children are so innocent. Well, that is why when I want to talk, I get a reserve now. Because me, I must investigate the both sides before I will conclude, say, see what this man do. Because if I don't forget this man this night na time don't go. Tomorrow, I beg, Alfred Igbineweka, till tomorrow afternoon, because my phone now, they don't let us, the carry phone, they follow body now. Everywhere attached for work, I will keep the phone for office. Till 4 o'clock, I don't feel talk. If you want to contact German First Lady, I beg. May you give her all the information, please. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Good evening.
See, Auntie, that lady hear me.
We dey hear you,
See, what did that woman talk? No be lie. I don't know how, but what she dey talk about no be lie. The guy know what he did. The guy no go fit to say he don't know her. They don't call her way. They no give the go ahead. Make them deport the king. She's a very useless man. And those sisters they go see suffer with that girl they suffer for Africa. Pass what did that girl they pass through. Thank you very much, ma. God bless you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Henry King Mose say, even if we hear from the man, will he bring the children back? If we hear from him, this caller from Greece. I know some Greece number. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, Stado.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, I dey come from Greece. Now that woman when say Greece no good, now I want to talk to.
No, we don't quarrel for Greece matter. Not be that one we did, so I beg. Forget about Greece matter. Agbadi, I want to party now with 2 children. I want to why don't the Greece? We want so Greece allow. I make una share a picture. Make more women not fall a victim. We go share a picture, but no fair, you go. Say on tiredness. More fair from the man. I beg. I will come back tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening, I will be back to update before we go take the action we're supposed to take. You understand me? So we want to hear from the man and from the man's sisters. Please, Frederick Bineweka, if you hear this message, I beg, contact German First Lady. Or you call me between 12 and 1 when I go there for lunch break. I beg. Call me between 12 and 1 when I go there for lunch break. Make we talk this thing. Because if this woman now, tomorrow now the video cause it go viral. Like that sister, that our sister when they deport with those 2 children. Now they go carry you, go back to Nigeria. Believe me. If we make video again of this woman when they deport her, we are going to make it. But just to make you call us, now make you explain to us. Wetin this woman do reach like that, or the children, or you confirm and say the children not be your home? You understand me? Or you confirm and say the children not be your home? As far as the police, the immigration still tell us say, come carry the children. So when they deport only the mother. They say you refuse. Your sisters, they refuse. I be una fan and say the children not be una home. Because I don't want to make I don't come take decision say tomorrow because say, oh, why I never hear from una. Please. Tomorrow evening, call me between 12 and 1. Or you call German First Lady, explain to them, please. I want to take this video to beg both man and woman. I just think that I want to talk about that. But Sazel when your wife still deport. Believe me, Europe don't be as it be again before. Italian law now. Oh, imagine make I read that for now. Na Savini lost in January. Any man will beat his wife with children is deportation. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, the one wey say dey hear me.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening.
You don't come up for line.
I say there for life. You wan talk?
I be one just talk.
We dey hear talk.
Even though say that man, those children not be children. You don't get, according to the law of God, you don't get that right when you go take deport those children go house.
More fair hear from her first.
I know, Mama. No, I beg you go help that woman. I beg. I dey see what you they do, especially that when you go for Napoli. Now God now go continue to dey bless you and empower you.
I no go Napoli. Oh. We no go. I never go Napoli. But
okay,
we will receive the message. We don't see the pikin for now till they do DNA. You understand me? This one we go still resolve. And me, I know they want quarrel. Me, I know they put petrol, they join fire.
I like the way when you say they do your own. I don't like.
We know they put petrol, they join fire. We want Frederick Binewekala wo. Call and let us listen to your own side of it. Okay, now sister, thank you. Okay. Frederick Binewekala, okay, I want to but I have to hear from you first. Please come out and let us know why this decision, whether the something pass your power or you find out say the children not be your own. I beg, make we know, because this is a drastic action. It's a very drastic action. Now yes, so okay, I see the law of Savigno. See ya.
Chi mette le mani addosso a una donna o un bambino, chi spezza un fiore non merita solo la galera, ma merita di essere curato, castrazione chimica e non lo rifanno più. Chi mette le mani addosso a una donna o un bambino, chi spezza un fiore non merita solo la galera, ma merita di essere curato, castrazione chimica e non lo rifanno più.
Yes, so
Chi mette le mani addosso a una donna o un bambino, chi castrazione chimica e non lo rifanno.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm just watching the program.
I
say I'm watching your program, so.
And you won't contribute. I bet talk louder. You won't contribute.
That woman was just spoke just now. What she said is true. And the paper that man signed use it against Zoge Right and Father Sharp. That Zoge Right, if you find that paper, those children, they are entitled to that document.
They entitled the man document, but now they take the pot and so now.
Yeah. They are entitled to the man document. Zoge Right with Father Sharp. That Zoge Right, they share 50-50 to that children with the woman. He have the same right with the woman.
And now we talk, so we are not talking about the man right or no right. When they go deport time, okay, the man get that, like the man sign now, because we don't really understand this deportation, the way we take up. So, please, if you are in Germany, you will see this video. Call me by 4:30 tomorrow when I close from work. Please call me and let me know how we are going to go about this woman children deportation. If we can bring the children back or what to do, because this thing is not good. If their father is if their father have a document in Germany, so the father can take care of the children, but if the children don't already go Nigeria, I don't even know what I want to talk again this evening. Because this, when I said that woman that they deport them, it don't come direct to me. And this one come direct to me. The source is still they shock me for body. Hello, brother.
No problem. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thank you for your contribution.
Me, I will call you. I will go for that. I will call you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
No problem.
Okay. Hello. Hello, I bet you want to they wash me. Hello. No, the one way to they wash now, make we hear you. Oh, if you. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Here, no tell hear you.
Okay, now me and being somebody waiting for.
No, talk, I dey hear you.
Okay, I don't know now. The reason why they take them come out, if like say the man don't deny them. I make her. He don't deny them. But she don't know. She don't know. The man don't deny them.
Okay, God deny them. God deny them for because they not being get the children.
Exactly. Yeah, he don't deny them. But she don't know what thing they go on. The letters where we hear that say we should talk say the government say now the white woman and the right then they reply letters. So now that woman say right. But she don't know. Say not be her husband get children. That's waiting your right. But she don't know. The man don't deny her. That make her. You will hear at the end, you will hear everything. The man don't deny her. Everything. So make Jama first lady help you find out. You'll see at the end. Say the man denied him.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Caller, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah,
Okay, Sazel was in there for since 29 years. Now they tried to talk before. Good caller. Jama first lady. Now we will come here and tell me now help me handle this thing tomorrow before I come. I'm shocked. Remember, I'm tired. The sort of shocked me. I'm still trying to regain myself, but by God's grace, we are going to make this thing to have victory over the enemy. If the man, they for do DNA test, but the man, if the man denied that, the woman don't know. As the woman don't know, let make it take swan for court or just say make a lawyer say make them force him. We don't say to say that Italy and I saw them for the drop body. Germany they don't tolerate nonsense. Germany don't tolerate nonsense. In Italy they have a visual more. In Italy they have a visual more and they pity. When I tell you that the one wanna do for the one wanna tell do for Italy, that's what I tell do for other country wanna go. Italy is the only country that endure all these things. See now because of now see what is having the talk. Now see what is having the talk. Now is the autonomy minister way after now. Now see him.
Chi mette le mani addosso a una donna o un bambino, chi spezza un fiore non merita solo la galera, ma merita di essere curato. Castrazione chimica e non lo rifanno più.
Okay. You hear that? He said this law enters since December 2018. He said any man when beat a woman, beat pikin, he said that man no want to be alive. So the one when they told say like a brother where wife na deport her, not deport her. Now waiting the law don't date there already. Of which men of una not know. See that sister now where I still talk last week. Now the one where they consider where your husband they beat every day. The girl, I see when she talk that day, I fear not let her talk to today, and she not call me back. Now the yes, so the one where they still carry with Tilishi, the way say the man call a drink, now say the family from Nigeria, they threaten the girl, say make he not denuncia their pikin, say make he tell the government say not be pikin, they beat him. So this their parents from Nigeria say that the double when they get that then now Igbo people get. And the something they annoy me when we say people were there Africa. They'll call a command family where there for Europe. Eh? And the law is already there. Not be the way in Africa they put the law. No, there's no need of them if they don't come back. Italy say no want them again, and they what they oh. Now yes, so. Now they what they because you don't go there already, put her for grand. If you come now, they go open your file, open computer. They are using one computer. They are using one computer. They open the computer now. You don't go Germany, go Switzerland, go Greece, go Nenemi. You won't come back. You're like, okay, oh, copy user. Not be the problem, so. Not be injured still do. After me, I don't help him. We don't try our possible best. He don't go to the other side where they first come money. If they come back and just say, Asia more working. Who go allow me the use and drop? Nobody. Then make Savini. This guy, so all of them they call Savini. I love the way it put discipline to our Nigerian people body. But I'm never his fan. No. I'm never his fan, but I love the way the laws, most of the law, they're strong, but that strong law, let's see if it put our mostly Nigerians brain to calm. Because before, no, I'll tell Bugbe. Now that character, these people that is constituting users in Germany now, most of them, because I didn't tell none of them for contact now. As they, I don't want to make I call the Russian people, please. Don't let me use those names. As they take cross Libya enter, now so they sit there from here. Why you gonna call for messenger? And the phone number there, why you gonna call for messenger? Eh? So this man. Now, as they take enter here, they still said they won't make they don't constitute news and everywhere don't ask for the time. So this Savini, now they carry the matter and they carry go Germany. See how now make Germany become the country where be not be like that again. Anyway, on a park go, that is how it's continuing. Why? Okay, Sasanda say I'm trying to be his first fan. Everywhere is cool now. Yeah, I applaud him for the way we take cool us because you see, there was a sorry they shout to because if you not shout for Nigerians, you not shout for blacks. You know they enter their head. Never. Let me read this quote. We'll go sleep. That's why I talk about this evening. Make I read this quote for now. Eh? From this quote is from Malcolm X. This quote is from Malcolm X. See he said, you have to be very careful introducing the truth to the black man who has never previously heard the truth about himself. The black brother is so brainwashed that he may reject the truth when he first hear it. You have to drop a little bit on him at a time and wait a while to let that sink before advancing to the next step. And I say, and I repeat it, before I say I want to change the world. Hey, with all my fault, no. When I call, I say I have to change myself first before I go change you now. As I want to change myself, to lessen my concern. To lessen the one woman, no. And that truth I talk, I won't help him, I won't help you. Me, before they beg who I they help. Me, before I say they beg her because say I won't collect God, them say, like you, I won't help, I'm going to cry. Well, me, I do it for my sister now. When I see the video, I go and they come, I cry. When she carry the shit, they call you, I cry. No carry your shit, they go to see me place. He carry and go. So there's nothing you can do now to make me go back again. Never. Because he was not able to harm me by then. If he still got the opportunity, then we do more than that. So where will I go? Or just like this joy now. This one where they see it became after 19 years. You think that to come back and say, Mommy, think that one will make me carry the way to hear you. Go, let me know when you're going to do your DNA without your daughter. And let them, they will prepare. We call the hospital, they give us the dates, then you do it. So all those your talk, I don't want to hear it, believe me. So you say, that is this true? All these people where they bring out their quotes, these are the people that fought for America, that make you and me to be free today, even in Europe. But where are they today? It is we black that betrayed them to be killed. Martin Luther King, who betrayed him, now we, black, that he was fighting for. Even Nelson Mandela, that spent 27 years in the prison. We have to say thanks to blacks too, the South African blacks or other African blacks, that was giving them information that would make them to keep him there, that the white people were using against him as a proof. Those were the black that he planned with, that they have to fight for this revolution to have their freedom. Those are the same black that sold him out. Those are the same black that sold Nelson Mandela out. That is why he spent 27 years there. You understand me? So these are the things, and they read and they take it, like the one we are still reading yesterday. When it was say, if they take one hand, they help African brothers. If they use the other hand, they drag himself from the same African brothers. May they not go push up for a side pit. The same thing here. Mama tell us the new law in Italy. President John, I know you want to hear the new law for Italy. I know, you want by yourself. I don't tell you already. Say, there's something to say any man will beat woman or beat picky straight to Africa. If they put her for prison, say maybe the law don't grant her to go to prison, they'll take her back to a country. You hear so? Because that you don't write her more than 10 times. Mama tell us what is the new law. No be new law. It come out since on December. And they don't take and deport many people. You hear so? So if you be one of them, probably you not be one of them, regard it and readjust yourself. Start respecting your wife or start respecting your girlfriend or respecting children. Okay? Let me read this one again for Onamo. Go sleep. Good night, my people. You have to be very careful introducing the truth to the black man who has never previously heard the truth about himself. The black brother is so brainwashed that he may reject the truth when he first hears it. You have to drop a little bit on him at a time and wait a while to let that sink in before advancing to the next step. Yes, so when I was crying here, Olawale Pikin, late Olawale Pikin, baby precious, name. When Evil Mike, the embassy, and co, they call Akim wey go soon go meet. If Akim you dey hear am so, that cost wey you cost for inside your house, if you no bring Precious out to the mother, na your brother Lawale then go call you go meet himself for that side. Because this thing, when I read that today, it just as if this man was talking about me. When I was crying here, I want to help this person. I want to help this person. The person was feeling intimidated by me. Say, no, he get the interest. But where are we today now? Where are we? All just because they want to come out and say, and I said they fight with this one. He had this one. No, the truth must prevail. He not shown that all of anybody where they help, they're going to meet them, make them there against me. But at the end, you people are not helping them. Look at Kisley Brown Omobude. That went 2 years ago to Julie Osamende, saying that some Italian people is still a kidney. They do this, they do that. He won't carry Pikiko. After 2 years, January, he still do the same thing. Kisley Brown Omobude gay. That is gay. And they come and go do video for your head. It then know there. If you don't carry that Julie, Piki come. When they saw Julie brother where make a go, no where contact not Tony. Where I meet that day for hospital. Now so if they say that Nigeria in there, he go close together go Solid Care Foundation. Well now where contact ne who not Tony. E jama fi o ma ye gbo keke. O ma ye say when ya neck is libra when o mo be Julie dey na. He never see rich where Christy Brown Omobude go take carry Julie pikin come now. Mr. Tony no win your call. Why say because of Julie Osamede? He never reach because all of una plan now to take chop the money inside. Because all of una plan. Now say if you come by my side, una know a pen una no go see it. Dani wa mi gagmuwa na upon all. Gagmuwa nonsense. So let me say, more than 20 people were deported from Germany today since June 2019. A woman plus 2 kids were deported. Yes, so Kakabo. Everybody should do video for this woman case. So make we wait, make we fail from the brother. We give them from now to 24 hours. Tomorrow, if you don't give us reply, then tomorrow evening we come and share the picture of the sisters and the man. And before on Monday, we know what we do to call the attention of the whole world again for this case of this sister and her 2 kids that was deported. No, it's not supposed to be so. Or we will want the German government to deport Frederick Binewek. I don't want to talk now. We want to hear from him first. If not, we will call, not by our power, by God's power, and by everybody that will do video on this my head, that man will be deported to go and meet his children. Okay? Evil people, evil acts. It's time you people to change. Well, here we are. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Wawese. Thanks for sharing this, being with me this evening. Tomorrow evening by 9 o'clock, we will update and deliberate more on it. And one love keep us together. Make love not war. See, and they take and they sing every day. Make love not war. Make love not. This is na joke I do. See, if they say love, they even to say love not day too much, but they don't make war. Everything for day okay. Walking we watch out. Bye bye. Thank you. I always say, my YouTube people, please subscribe to our channel, sister. Sister Princess, oh, thank you. I see your message. I see yes, she said, Mama, you don't go YouTube again. When I go, they don't subscribe. Let me never see she said they download. They don't see them. But when I go like my page, the lady president of Together God's Family Care Foundation. From that page, you go hear the notification. I go do video. Tomorrow evening, we go do video there. When I go like the page, that's what I know. They use everybody go there. They go feel comment and do everything. Watch out here where. One love keep us together. Never go. Prince, you say you can never go. Why no go? At midnight, I'll go watch tomorrow morning. Okay, make I continue to read the Sabini law for you. Behave yourself so that the Sabini law no catch you. Walking on with Baba, yo, ciao.